पर्यटन हंगामातली पहिली पॅसेंजर बोट नॉटिकान दुबयसावन मंगळारा एमपीटीन प्रवेश घेतलो. हातूंत सुमार 535 प्रवासी प्रवास करतात. ह्या हंगामात सुमार 30 पॅसेंजर बोटी गोंयांत येवपाच्यो आसात. आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Shipping lines came together and they matched each other in the sense last year the total number of passengers was 63,000. This year the total number of passengers and crew both will be 64,000. There is no drop. But normally what will happen, every ship comes, there will be only 70% occupancy or 60% occupancy. Now the two lines, they are having an arrangement so that it will be 100% occupancy. So even though the number of vessels have come down, the occupation level in the every ship is about 2,000 passengers. So it will be in the 90-95% occupation. Earlier it has to come with a 60%, 50% occupancy. So there is no reduction in the number of tourists here. Secondly, as a Ministry of Shipping has taken a common policy that we wanted to charge the similar rate across all the ports. Accordingly, now we have slashed our rate. In fact, Goa, we have reduced the rate by 2/3.
MPT कडल्यान 40 क्रुजीस येवपाचे आसा. आतां पर्यंत 40 जाल्यार वाडटल्यो. आतां म्हाका 4-5 वर्सां जाली MPT आनी गोवा टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन वांगडा मेळून ह्यो क्रुजीस तांकां वेलकम करपाचे, तांकां भोंवडोवपाचे, जे गॅस्ट आसा तांकां भोंवडोवपाचे, सगळे अशें आनी तांकां मोमेंटोज दिवपाचे अशें बारीकशें एक हें चल्लां. लायक ट्युरिस्ट हांगा येता दॅट वील हेल्प इकॉनॉमीक आमची इकॉनॉमीक हेल्प करता. आनी फेसिलिटी म्हणजे तांकां वेलकम करपाक इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवपाचें, खंय वचपाचें. आमी ह्या वर्सा MPTन प्रिपेड टॅक्सी कावंटर GTच्या थ्रू स्टार्ट केल्लो आसा. सो ते आमी आमचे गॅस्ट स्टाफ बसयल्ले आसा. आमचे क्वांटम म्हणून जी आमची एक एजन्सी आसा एक अपॉयंट केला आमचे हें करपा खातीर ती आसा. आनी वी आर ट्रायंग आवर बेस्ट टू सी दॅट मोर टुरिस्ट कम टू गोवा.
We are very happy to receive the first ship. It's carrying around 500 passengers, and we are very happy with all the arrangements done by the government. Today, for the first time, the GTDC have been able to run the taxi counter, and I went in the morning to inspect what was happening, and I found that the services were very smooth operations. There was sufficient police, sufficient manpower, and I'm sure the tourists are going to be very happy, because in the past there used to be a lot of confusion amongst the taxi drivers and the guests who are arriving in Goa. Taxi drivers used to create a lot of problems, overcharge them, but now there is a lot of discipline. We have taken up various other issues with the MPT and with the parliamentary committee which was in Goa recently, and they have assured us that they would sort out the remaining problems being faced at MPT.